Hello, I'm in a 2010 GMC Acadia, and today I'm going to show you how to reset your language from your dash here. So we're actually going to be using these two buttons. So we'll be tapping this to go through menu options and this to make the changes. So from here, I'm just going to start clicking this. There's on language there, but we'll just clicking through till you get to the language option. Language there, so I'm going to now push the check button. So check. And then the second button again to scroll between the options, English, French, or Spanish. No change. Let's say we want Spanish. We'll hit check again, and then check again, and there we go. Now it's in Spanish. And then let's say we want to change it to English. It's just all the same options, but from here. So again, we'll just keep clicking here till we see, and obviously I want it in English since I speak English. So right here, press, and then same thing, check again, English, check, English selected. So that should just auto update all of these options. But anyways, I hope this was helpful. I hope you have a wonderful day.